Before we start our online safety game, let's go over a few super important tips to help you stay safe and smart when you're using the internet. Tip number one, be careful with public Wi Fi. That's when you're connected to the internet in places like a library or coffee shop. Don't type your password or personal info unless a trusted adult says it's okay. Next, always check the address bar on a website. If it starts with HTTPS, that little S means it's more secure. Never type in your info unless you see the S. Sometimes you might get a weird link in an email or message. If you don't know who sent it, don't click it. It could be a trick, so always check with a teacher or adult first. Your password is like your house key. You should only share it with a trusted grown up, not with friends or classmates. And if something pops up online that feels strange, confusing, or even a little scary, hit pause and ask an adult. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Now, you've got the tools to make smart choices online. You're ready to play the game and show what you know about staying safe on the internet.